Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to add dimensions to our drawing. To add dimension, it is simple. It is similar to the same way you add dimension to your sketch. So select Smart Dimensions under the Annotations tab, and you can select line to line to add your dimension. So you drag out and click where you want to place the dimension. Again, we can select center to edge to define the center of our part. We can add a diameter by selecting any circular edge. If I drag it somewhere up here, I get the diameter with the arrow, but if I move it down here, I get also the diameter but with the lines. So let's move it somewhere around here and add the diameter with the arrow. We can also add radius. So if I select my fillet, I have my radius. We can also add a dimension to 2 points. This point to that point, drag it out, click, and it is going to give me the diameter. So SolidWorks is smart enough that it knows that the 2 points you select is the diameter. So that is how you add dimensions in SolidWorks. Again, we can add from this top face to this center line, drag out and click. And that is how you add dimensions in SolidWorks. It is very straightforward. And another thing is when you add your dimension, you can click on it and you have some properties on the left that you can change. You have the center justify, left justify, right justify. You can add symbols. You can change your tolerance. So you can add the different type of tolerance. You can add your precision, how many number of decimal places you want. So you can also edit your dimension in the dimensions property. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.